Today I'm with my parrot. His name's Bubba. He's just chewing on my shirt. Hey, Bubba. He's not fully trained, but he's actually a nice bird. Hey, Bubba, say hi. Okay. So, he doesn't know how to do tricks yet, but it's funny. Like, hey, Bubba, what's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Okay, but now he's just chilling on my ear. Nothing. Bubba, here, talk to the camera. Don't close the phone. Okay. So wait, hey, stop, Bubba. It's okay. He's scared. He born last month, and it was last month Sunday. It's a long time ago. Sorry, guys. And look, he's behind me. Look, he doesn't. I don't know what's wrong with him today. Bubba, come. Oh, you guys are okay? Because he's just chilling on my back. Yeah. You're tickling me. Oh my god. You want some? Bubba, come. Look, if I go up, he comes on my shoulder. If I go down, he goes on my back. If I go up, like up, very up. Sorry guys, he's just on my shoulder again. Bye guys.